Make your feet hip width. Okay, now we do arm stretch. So from here, bring your right arm behind you, catch your left elbow, then take your right elbow back. Now, if you want to, you can tilt your head to the left. Okay, change sides. With your left hand, catch your right elbow, then take your left elbow back. If you want, you can tilt your head. Okay, and release. Okay, we do eagle pose. Feet together. Bring your right arm to the center. Okay, don't drop your elbows. Elbows at breast level. Then left elbow is over. You're crossing at the elbows. Cross again if you can. Hands together if you can. Shoulders down. Inhale. Exhale, bend the knees. Okay, don't drop your elbows too much. Shoulders down. Either stay here or pick your right foot, toes to the other side, or wrap around. So stand on one leg. Keep breathing. Okay, come up. We change sides. Left elbow to your center, so that comes to the midline. Then right elbow is over. You cross at the wrist. Cross again if you can. Hands together if you can. Shoulders down. Inhale. Bend the knees deeply, so stay here if you want. Or pick your left foot. Put the toes to the other side or wrap around. Hook the foot if you can. Breathe. Shoulder press down. And release.